Hello everyone, welcome to the BISP Solutions. So our today's topic for the ticket is tax automation rules are not displaying. So this is our ticket number 9 and we'll see. So in TRCS we'll go to the application and under configuration we have the various rules we will be defining. So before that, tax automation rules, it can be defined. If you open this, it can be defined as the global rule, domicile rules and entity rules. You can see at the top, when you create a global rule using the tax automation global form, when it is saved, the rule, it is copied to all the domiciles and entities. So in the tax automation, it is a key process to provide data for the core tax calculation. It represents the link between your book data and the tax data. After you load trial balance data into the application, you can run the tax automation process to link tax sensitive book data to one of the tax accounts like permanent difference account, temporary difference accounts, pre-tax income adjustments accounts, additional provisioning accounts. So using this tax automation, the system prepares the current provision process by copying the net income before tax amount from the entity's income statement into the net income before tax entry of the current provision. So we have all the global rules defined here. So it says the global rules are not getting carried forward to the next year. So how to see that? It is in FY15. If you check for P1, you have some tax automation rules which are defined. Here we have the target tax automation target account, that is your current provision. You have the scenario which is selected as actual, year is FY15, period is P1. Then here you have all those accounts, and at the top you can see whether it is enabled or disabled, what is the logic that will be applied, at what percentage you want to apply that logic, what should be the source account, source movement and the target movement. You need to define your source multi-gap, target multi-gap, source scenario and source ICP. So like for NIBT, that is net income before tax, the logic applied is pull. So we are saying pull net income before tax. Pull source account is we have in our financial statement account naming pre-tax book income, and we are saying we want to pull 100% of this pre-tax book income amount to the NIBT, that is net income before tax, in the current provision, and the target movement where it will be reflected is automated. So like this we provide the logics in the tax automation. Then you provide this logic as per the requirement of the client. Then the second is meals. Again, it's saying your source account is meals, and it is asking you to pull 100% from your source account meals and put it into the meals target. And your scenario used here is actual. So suppose these are the two rules right now defined. You can add uh, more also, like for bad debt you can say you want 50%. Logic is like apply the pull logic. Percentage is like 50% you want to pull. Bad debt, it will be accounts. Maybe the bad debt is there. If you check, yes, it is allowance for bad debts or the bad debts. You can pick the bad debts. You want that amount to be bring into here, and the source movement, not the source here, the target movement should be automated. Save it. So now this logic we want to carry forward. It is not automatically being carried forward. You need to carry forward into the next year, and that is only the ticket for today. That how it is not getting carried forward. So I'll tell you how you can carry forward into the required scenario, required intersection. All right. Now we want to carry forward it to. First we'll check where it is not there. Maybe we'll check it the P5. So you can see we do not have, only we have NIBT, that is pool 100%. Apart from that, we had for a logic applied for meals and for bedded. There's no logic being carried forward for bedded and not for meals as well. So we want to carry from FY15 P1 to P5. So that is not being carried forward right now. So for that, you go to the copy configuration. Click on the stacks automation rules. We want to copy the stacks automation rules. Now from which scenario? On the left you have the source, that is source of data to be copied, to the target, that where the source data will be copied. So if you have a scenario is like actual, so when you select for one, it will be copied to the target as well. So scenario is actual. Year will be like we are in FY15. So FY15 for source and target both, but you want to copy from period P1 to target P5. So in source it should be P1, but in target it should be P5. I'll remove this. So you can see from actual to actual, 15 to 15 and P1 to P5, we want to copy this tax automation rules. Run. Yes, and it will ask us to see the job console for more information. So we'll go to the jobs. So it is completed. Copy tax automation rules. Alright. Now we'll go back to the configuration. Go to open the tax automation page and now check in your P5 whether it is working or not. So you can see now the NIBT logics have been carried. NIBT was already there, but the other logics which were there for P1, it has been carried forward in your P5 also. That is your meals. And the logic that we applied for beddeds. So this is how you carry forward all your logics to the next period, or to whatever scenario or what intersection you want to do that, with the help of copy configuration, which you can find in your configuration card. So this was all the ticket about. So if you have any questions, please contact BISP Solutions. Thank you all for your time. Thank you.